in this video, I'm gonna be telling you what is Hacktoberfest all about and how you're gonna go about participating into Hacktoberfest 2022. Not only that, I'm also gonna be telling you how can you win t-shirts and also how you're gonna be going about making your first open source contributions. So without wasting any time, let us get started. So this is the official Hacktoberfest website, which I have opened using this hacktoberfest.com. So I'm going to be pinning this inside the description box. So you're going to go there and check it out. So in order to register for Hacktoberfest, you're going to be coming here and going to press this button that is registrations now open. Cool. So it has taken us to a portal where we have two options. Either we can authorize with GitHub or we can authorize using GitLab. But most of the developers in the world are there on GitHub, not on GitLab. So here also in this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps using GitHub. So let's come here and initiate it using GitHub. So as you can see, it has taken us to a portal where we're going to be writing our email address and our password. And the email address by which we have, which is attached to our GitHub account. So that email address we're going to be writing over here. And also the password. So yeah, these are the steps in order to register for Hacktoberfest. So after you have done with the steps, it's going to take us to a page wherein we have to check some of the options belonging to questions. So the first question we are in, that is, how will you be participating? So most of the people who are watching this video are contributors. So you're going to be checking this option, that is contributor. So I'm a maintainer, that's why I've selected this option because I'm a maintainer, but since you're going to be contributing to the open source, not maintaining a project, that's why you're going to be checking here, that is contributor. Let's come to the second question, that is, what is the experience level? So most of the people again watching this video are newbies. So going to be coming here and checking this option, that is newbie. Cool. Okay, so I'm familiar, that's why I've checked this option. But in your case, you're going to be checking newbie. Cool. So the third question is how you're going to be contributing to Hacktoberfest. So there are two options, code and non-code. If you know how to code, that is very good. But also, if you don't know how to code, that is also very good because there are a lot of contributions which you can actually make without writing a single piece of code. So that's why check these both options, that is code as well as non-code. And here you're going to be selecting whatever country you belong to. Since I belong to India, that's why I've selected India over here. And kindly check this option, that is HoloPin. The reason is because HoloPin is sort of thing by which you can get your digital badges, which you can actually put in your resume and also on your LinkedIn profiles. So kindly check this option, that is HoloPin. Now let's come to the next question, that is marketing opt-in. So here you're going to be checking all these three options, that is DigitalOcean, AppWrite, as well as Docker. Cool. After doing these steps, you're going to be coming here and clicking on save. So after this, it is going to be taking us from where we can see our GitHub profile picture as well as a name. So this is showing that actually we have registered for Hacktoberfest. Cool. Let's come down to the progress section. So what does this mean? Whenever see, Hacktoberfest is an open source hackathon in which you need to get your 4 pull requests merged. So whatever pull request you're going to be getting it merged, the number 0 is going to be incrementing. So you're going to make it till 4 in order to complete this Hacktoberfest. That means you're going to be getting your 4 pull requests merged in order to contribute to this Hacktoberfest. Cool. Now let's talk about the rewards. So HoloPin is something that is going to be providing you with the digital badges. So it's going to send you a mail. So you're going to go to your mail in order to claim these badges. So whenever you register for Hacktoberfest, at that point of time only, HoloPin is going to be sending you the digital badge for participating into Hacktoberfest. So just go there and check out the email with which you have registered for Hacktoberfest, and you're going to be claiming your digital badge from there. And also make sure to put this in your resume as well as your LinkedIn account, LinkedIn profile, and also share it on Twitter. Cool. So after registering for Hacktoberfest, you're gonna be coming on to any sort of repository on GitHub that is taking part in Hacktoberfest. So this is my repository, web development for beginners. So I'm gonna be pinning down the link to this repository in the description box. So you're gonna go there and check it out. It's cool. So make sure that any repository you visit, Hacktoberfest is written over here. Then only your pull requests uh, are acceptable. So make sure that you come onto any repository in such a case, Hacktoberfest should be written over here. Cool. So let's come to issues. So you're gonna be able to find a lot of issues over here. So whatever issue you wanna work upon, you're gonna be coming onto it, start working on it. Like uh, right now I've not signed up. So what you need to do is uh, you just need to comment that, hey, I just want to work on this issue. Please assign this issue to me. So the people, the collaborators, the maintainers are going to be assigning the issue to you. Cool. So after that, one more thing to keep in mind is uh, only only work upon those issues in which you're going to be able to see this Hacktoberfest labeled. The issues which are labeled as Hacktoberfest are only the issues which you're going to work upon. Else, whatever contributions or pull requests you're going to make in, those are going to be considered as null and void. So that's why make sure you're going to be working on the issues which are labeled as Hacktoberfest. Cool. So this is a very simple repository on which you can work upon, which you can just solve the issues, resolve the issues, and gonna request that, hey, I just want to work upon it. We're gonna be assigning the issue to you, and you can make your first contributions to it. Cool. So and don't forget to star it, and star. You're gonna be starring it from here, and also follow me on GitHub. Cool. So that's how you're going to be making your first contributions to Hacktoberfest. That's how you're going to be getting into your first open source contributions. So I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe it. And also don't forget to follow me on GitHub. Cool.